All right, y'all. So me and Tommy, River Sticks, right here. Okay, so we're gonna see how fast we can break these down. I picked up 3 computers yesterday, day before yesterday. First time I've picked up from there, so I have no idea what may or may not be in these. But we're gonna time and just tear it down, just to get some idea of, you know, what you can turn out. So, and the computers here.
And the new little wrenches that he bought are going to come in handy.
Rock bottle on the track, boy.
All right. So start time showing 4:42. So we're gonna tear these down and see what we can find in them. Give you a little bit of a look around of what we got. Main breakdown.
We taking these out?
No. You know, 3 boards, 3 heat sink, power supplies, bunch of RAM was in there. So I'm gonna bring y'all back. It's showing 5 o'clock now. I'm gonna bring y'all back once we get everything torn down completely. All right, so basically we got complete breakdown of everything. This is gonna be shred. brass. These I collect. I got a couple buckets of them. That's the readers. Y'all know anybody wants to buy them, I'll send them on. I do know there's gold in there. This is all we got for ribbon wire that's got gold on the end of it. It was just 2 of them. Ooh, we're getting some wind out here now. That's all your small motors right there. That's your gold ends. This is this goes to shred for the rest of the ends because there's brass and aluminum stuff. Got a little bit right there shred. This ends up being number 2 copper once you break them up and get the not the MOSFETs, but the other piece off of there. This is going to be a slot card. There was only one in all out of the 3 computers.
Hold it up. I'm zoomed in on you. Okay, go ahead.
So that's a slot card. This is all RAM. That's a good amount of RAM. This right here is going to be DVD boards. I think they're $4.50 a pound right now, if I remember correctly. And then this is just some miscellaneous stuff. It's got gold in the connectors there, in the connectors on that. This is low quality, but there is the switch, push button switch with silver. If you can see that.
What time is it? Because you clicked off at 5.
5:26. So everything's completely broke down.
So about 20 minutes.
Yeah. Ready to go where it's going to go. That goes into the aluminum breakage. That's 3 power supplies right there. Instead of breaking those all the way down, it takes too long. You end up losing money. So
we cut all the cords off if there's the wires.
Yep,
right
cut all the ends off the cords. Aluminum heat sinks are here. You got the one that goes as a copper aluminum rad. You got 3 processors, and that's the pile of wire. So
and 3 shells.
So I don't remember what time we started, but we were done at probably 5:20. I've been talking a few minutes. It's saying almost 2.5 minutes since I turned it on.
And there's your 3 main boards.
Oh yeah, the 3 main boards too. So I'm gonna try to get some weights on this stuff and throw some prices together for y'all just to list them out, just so you have some idea. We'll say we spent an hour. We wasn't working hard. We were just kind of.
I got $1.
Plugging around, plugging through it, goofing off, you know. So let's see what we made. All right, so quick breakdown here. You got motors, 15 ounces at 20 cents, 19-cent. Aluminum breakage was 48 cents. Shred was $2.21. The 40% wire category is 94 cents. Motherboard, the AMD was 74 cents. There's 2 other motherboards. The metal bracket one was $2.42, and the small socket plastic was $1.50. Goldfinger card was 29 cents. CD-ROM boards equaled $1.34. RAM was $6.09. Copper aluminum rad or heat sink 41 cents. Gold ends off the wires 9 cents. Aluminum heat sinks 28 cents. And this is a kind of a quick breakdown. That's not everything. Come up with a total of $16.98 as a total for that hour that me and Tommy worked. Is that worth it? No, not really. I mean, you could easily make.
It's $8 a piece.
Yeah, I mean, you could break down You could make $10 an hour. You know, is it worth it running a business? No. Is it worth it as my personal time instead of watching TV? Yeah, I'd say yes. Make $10 an hour, no problem. But the gold ends off of some of the wires not in there because that's stuff that I keep. There's no hard drives in the computer, so that price isn't in there. The 3 IC chips prices aren't in there, and a couple other little boards that were in there. So none of that was in there. $10 an hour for my personal time is worth it to me, but it's not really worth it to run a business. But of course, you also have to keep in mind that your gold, platinum, palladium, silver, all those prices are really low. And if you go back 8 months ago and check some of the stuff, it could be a little different.